Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make a very short video in helping you understand how you can host n8n for cheap price or literally for free. So if you look at today's n8n setup, n8n is offering a pricing of $20 for basic starter users or for beginners, which is too much to run your workflow. There are multiple options. Option which I found easy and very fast to run n8n is using the Railway app. There is an app called Railway.app which you can use to run this. This Railway.app is the app you're going to use this. But before you use this, you need to have a GitHub account. To do that, I have logged into my GitHub account here on another tab, and I'm going to use that to log in to Railway. I'll say continue on GitHub, and this should take me through the sign in. I would authorize it, and voila, now I am into Railway.app using GitHub's credentials. I would say I agree. All we are trying to say here is you won't do anything illegal and stuff. So it's checking and it's telling you, like, you're not going to do anything illegal. I will not deploy any of that, is what you're saying. That's it. This is how you can log into Railway.app using your GitHub credentials. So something exciting about this thing is you get 30 days or $5 of credit to try out all your services, post which deploying your services is very cheap and you can try it out and see. With that said, let's try to run n8n on this thing by creating a new project. On Railway.app, I'm going to click on new project and look for deploy a template. This should give you the n8n essential components. Click on deploy a template and this will load the corresponding n8n relate workers which are needed. So if you look at this, it is going to deploy n8n workers ready to be deployed. So 4 components get deployed as part of this: the primary n8n instance, the worker, Redis, and Postgres, which is fine. I'll say deploy it. Now all Railway is doing is deploying all those 4 components for us. It's going to take a couple of minutes and we should have all that loaded here. Well, we can see that all our 4 components are deployed, which is the primary instance of n8n, Postgres, the worker, and Redis. So you can move around these as well to make it look better. So to access our primary instance, just click on this element and then you would see the URL here where your n8n is up and running. Just click on this endpoint and this should load you the primary n8n instance where you can log in and perform your operation. You can set up your account. So let's say I want to set up my owner account and I want to give my email. The first name is and it should be 8 characters with that's what it tells. So let me say at least one. Okay, I would say next. Perfect. So now you can define that if you want, or you can say get started. And if you want the free license key, you can get that. Right now I don't need it, I'll skip that. So that's it, and now you have your instance ready. You should be able to spin off any workflows here, build your workflows. This was a very short video where you could install n8n on Railway and start building your workflows from scratch. If you have liked this video, subscribe to my channel and I'll help you build any desired workflow. If you have any reviews or comments, feel free to put that in this video so that I can focus on building something which is interesting for you. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.